Welcome to Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. As a thank you for being here, we have a special gift for you to enjoy, so stick around until the end. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this accessible yoga practice together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a lateral stretch. Reach your right hand to your left leg and reach your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your left side body. Stay connected to your breath as you release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your left hand to your right leg and your right arm up and over to the left, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center. Extend both your legs forward, keeping your legs active, rooting down through your feet. Begin to alternate, gliding your hands down your legs, folding forward, and lifting your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead into cactus arms. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, sweeping your arms overhead into cactus arms, opening through your chest and shoulders. And with each exhale, glide your hands down your legs, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, folding forward from your hip creases, waking up your arms, chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Release and return to center. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale with your hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, neck, chest, shoulders, abdomen, and spine. Pause with your hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, keeping your legs active, rooting down through your feet. Continue breathing deeply, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Stay connected to your breath as you release and turn around to take a seat facing the back of your chair. Begin with crisscross arms, clasping the back of your chair for support. Gently round your spine, coiling your navel back, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue breathing deeply, using the clasp of your chair as added leverage, sending the point between your shoulder blades straight back. Release and return to upright, adding a twist. Reach your left hand across your body to clasp the right side of your chair, and place your right hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, using the clasp of the chair as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Unwind and go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. With your right hand to the back of your chair for support and your left hand to lightly rest behind your head. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Unwind and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch with your right hand to the left side of your chair for support. Inhale, reach your left arm to the sky. Exhale, stretch up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your left hand to clasp the right side of your chair and your right arm to the sky. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, stretch up and over to the left, reaching energetically through your fingertips, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body all the way down into your right hip. Slowly release, and then let's go ahead and turn around, facing the front once again, moving into a cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and on your exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Adding on, with an inhale, draw your elbows in towards your sides, lifting through your heart. And on your exhale, sweep your arms forward with the backs of your hands facing each other, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, arms, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. Cross your right leg over your left. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, and sign up to get your free Chair Yoga Starter Guide plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.